Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can convert a note into a table in Workflowy. So let us begin. Alright, so you can do this with any notes inside your Workflowy account. Expand the home section here and select the given note. I will go with this or that one here. And then guys, as you can see, that's not a table, that note, but you can convert it into a table and the entire text by clicking into these three dots here, select turn into, and navigate to table. You can go also with any of these: quotation, to-do list, heading 1, bulleted list. I will go for table. And as you can see guys, that node has been converted into a table with 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 8 columns and rows. So you can insert more rows and columns by clicking into these plus buttons here. And yeah, keep adding content to these cells. And that's how you convert a node into a table on Workflowy. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.